In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract data from a PDF in n8n. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable workflow that turns PDF files into usable text or structured data you can pass to your analytics, automations, or other apps. We'll start with the manual trigger node. This is the perfect way to test your setup without needing any external events. Add the manual trigger to a fresh workflow so you can run everything on demand. When you click Execute Workflow, n8n will begin from this node and follow the chain you build. Keeping it manual at first makes troubleshooting easier and gives you full control while you refine your extraction settings. Next, add the Read Binary File node. This node loads your PDF from your system and hands the raw binary data to the rest of the workflow. In its settings, set the file path to the location of your PDF, for example, something like datasample.pdf. Make sure the path is correct, the file is accessible to your n8n instance, and that you're using an absolute path if you're unsure about the working directory. If you're handling larger PDFs, expect a brief read time while the file loads. Then, connect the Read PDF node. This is where the magic starts. It processes the binary content and extracts what's inside your PDF: plain text, tables, and even metadata. Point the node to the binary data produced by the previous step. If the node asks for a binary property name, use the default unless you changed it earlier. Once configured, this node transforms unreadable binary into structured information that n8n can understand, which is essential before you can do anything meaningful with the content. Finally, add the Extract from File node. This node converts the processed PDF data into the format you actually want to use. Choose whether you need plain text for quick searches or structured JSON if you plan to map fields, parse tables, or feed data into other systems. Take a moment to review the output preview. If you're going for JSON, define clear keys so your downstream steps know exactly where to find titles, dates, amounts, or sections. At this point, your extraction pipeline is ready. You can send the output to spreadsheets, databases, dashboards, or directly into your automations. If something doesn't look right, double-check the file path, confirm the PDF isn't corrupted, and ensure each node is connected to the correct binary property. Run it again, confirm the output, and you're done.